When we started Cybervergent, we didn't just want to build another cyber software. We wanted to solve a problem that keeps leaders worried globally. I've personally experienced firsthand how businesses struggle to stay secure, put enormous time and effort into managing risk and growing under the weight of compliance. These challenges are what have inspired us to build solutions that remove that burden. We are glad that today, organizations and businesses across Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, North Africa, and the Middle East use our AI-powered platform to get a unified view of their risk, their governance initiatives, and privacy, as well as data security. As we continue to grow and build these solutions, it is our hope that our customers continue to believe in us to deliver that value that keeps them secure and resilient, and we will continue to drive to ensure that innovation comes from within Nigeria and Africa through what we do.